What's up?
I hit a pothole on my way to work and my wheel is bent.
All right. Do you need the car?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put a loaner on it. Let me grab your keys. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it inside, take off the wheel, and then after that, we'll go ahead and put it on the balancing machine. See that movement there? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's the problem, right? That's why your wheels or your steering wheel's shaking. This is the big reason why that is. At that point, we'll be able to provide a price and time it's gonna take to do the repair. And then we'll proceed to install a loaner wheel on the vehicle. Now we're gonna go ahead and dismount the tire and place the rim on our wheel repair machine. We're gonna look for damage, assess the damage, and then we're gonna mark our high and low spots. Then we're gonna proceed to go ahead and we're gonna heat this wheel up and heat the dented areas on this rim. We're gonna take that to 250 degrees to 300 degrees to where the wheel is malleable, but not enough where it starts to melt. So now that this wheel is at about 300 degrees, now we can go ahead and use our hydraulic wheel repair machine. We're gonna take a couple pumps here and try to bring that damage area up. At the same time, Danny is gonna use this hammer and he's gonna hit on the left side and the right side of the wheel, thus kind of creating this friction where it starts to move back into place. All right, now that we got the wheel straight, we got it to about 95% as far as when you're comparing it to a new wheel. Now we can go ahead and put the tire back on. We're gonna run it over here to the tire machine and Gustavo here is gonna install the tire. Soon after that, we're gonna balance it, put it back on the car, and Giselle will be ready to hit the road.